Hello. So I just completely reset my TrueNAS Scale computer on my NAS. And yeah, I was doing a lot of testing and stuff. I thought I would kind of wipe it out. But yeah, in a previous video, I said I had 128 gigs of RAM in it, but I was really tired when I made that video. What I meant was that I'm going to upgrade to 128 gigs. I will do that when I get my tax return because this machine is running DDR4 memory and 128 gigs of memory will cost me about $400. So yeah, it have to wait a little bit. 64 gigs is enough for what I'm going to do with it right now. But as I said, I'm going to upgrade this to 128 gig later. So yeah, it's completely wiped out. I also have a 10 gigabit network card in here. You see 10,000 megabits. So yeah, that's kind of nice. I also have a 10 gigabit network card in my main PC. So yeah. Okay, so storage, there's no pools at all. And since I don't have any pools, I don't have any data sets either. No shares or anything. Yeah, so network stuff. Let's see. What I'm actually going to start with is go to credentials and local users. And I'm actually going to add myself. Right now it's just the admin. I'm going to add. Let's see. Just this and no email, password. Okay. And I'm going to leave everything by default here, I think. Yeah, I should, because I'm going to add permissions to stuff later. I don't have to do anything here. No, just save. That's my user for now. And let's go to storage, create pool. And this looks a lot different than it used to. Previously, there were like two windows here and you have the unassigned drives here and you move them to the right and then you set it up sort of the pool over here, what kind of RAID type and stuff. This is quite different. I'm used to having the old style. So this will be kind of the name of the pool. And I'm going to have, if I actually go just back to storage, disks over here. And you can see that I have, top one is an NVMe drive, and that's the boot pool. That's the boot drive. TrueNAS is installed on it. And then I got 8 1 terabyte SSDs, and they are connected to an HBA card. It's the LSI 9300-8i because it's internal connectors. But these are SSDs. Yeah, you can see here disk type SSD. Yeah, so they're not in any pool. It's not available. Yeah, so go back to storage, create pool. The name of the pool. Yeah, I'm going to name this 8 times 1 TB. Yeah. I was thinking of name it like SSD, SSD or something, and TB. Yeah, maybe I should have it. No, doesn't matter because I'm not going to have any mechanical drives in it, so that will be the name of the pool. I don't going to need any encryption. And next, normal. This is sort of what is different in the new scale. I'm going to use RAID Z1, which basically is RAID 5. Disk size, yeah, kind of weird. Okay, width. Okay, so this is the, yeah, this was the amount. Number of VDEVs, what do they mean? Yeah, one VDEV maybe. So the width, I think it's the amount of drives. Okay, the manual section. Okay. Drag and drop is how to move. Okay. Cancel. I think this will be the same width, 8. 1 VDEV. Yeah, this should be. Yeah, if you have, I think, multiple drives or different sizes on the drives, you can select just those drives. I remember doing that before. Well, next. ZFS log device can improve. No, I need that. Okay. What? Stripe. Mirror. Oh, optional. Okay, that's optional. Nice. Spare, optional. I don't need a spare. Cache, I'm not going to have a cache drive either because the RAM is used as a cache and the RAM is a lot faster than SSDs. Let's see, metadata, no, I don't need that either. DDoP, no, I don't need that either. Summary, let's see, pool name. Yeah, topologies, let's see, 1 RAID Z1. Yeah, it selected all the 8 drives. So 6.35 TB bits. Okay, create pool. Confirm, continue. I think if you just want to select like half the drives, I think you need to go into the advanced mode and then just invalid pool name. Okay, why is that? Invalid pool name. So that's kind of weird. Okay. What should I name it then? I can't name it like this. That's kind of weird. Let's see. Okay. So I can't have any numbers or something. Okay, that's kind of sad. What if I do it like this? If I do it like this, SST. Sometimes you can't really start the name with a number. So yeah, I know it's kind of weird. Linux is weird that way sometimes. SSD times 8. Uh, 1 TB. Let's do it like this. Let's see. Times n 1 8 1 terabyte. Okay. Review. See if it works. Yeah, now it works. Yeah, that was it. You can't start the pool name with a number. Okay, now I know that. Okay, so let's see. It's not really the name that I wanted, but whatever. Some water. Okay, now I got a pool. Now I actually need to go and create different data sets. And these data sets are the things that you're going to make a share of. So let's see, I'm going to create a couple of these ones. So let's see, add data set name. And you can't use space either. So let's see, this will be just the storage, the regular share storage. Inherit. Generic save. Yeah, I think this is enough. And then I'm going to add another one. Is called so files. Just a separate share for that. And then, yeah, just save it over here. Save. Okay, it happened. God damn it. Delete. Really, I have to type the entire thing. Kind of weird. Confirm. Delete dataset. Over here, I should have a new dataset called ISO files save. Perfect. And then another one for just VM. Yeah, let's do that. And yeah, now I'm actually going to the shares. I'm going to add a Windows share path, that, and save. Enable service and configure ACL. And this is also a bit different from the TrueNAS core that I'm used to. And here's another weird thing. When I add a user here, I also need to use a sort of mask user or a mask, because otherwise I can't save the access control list. Kind of weird. But over here you add item and user, and I have my user there, and I should be able to read, write, and execute on this share. And then I'm also going to use the mask, read, write, execute. And then I'm going to just save this one. If I don't add the mask, I'm going to get an error message when I'm going to save the ACL. It's kind of weird. Storage. Yeah, shares. Add. Mount. Storage. Don't need anything else. Save. Restart service. Configure. Do the same thing here. Add user. And it's going to be me. Read, write, execute. Then we do the same thing again with the mask. Execute. Save. SMB, and go back to shares. Add the last one, which is VM. I don't think I need to share the VM actually. I only need these two. Yeah. I'm not going to add any NFS shares right now. This should be kind of it, I think, for now. Let's see if I can actually access stuff. TrueNAS. All right. Remember. All right, there we go. TrueNAS ISO5 storage. I can access it. Let's see if I can create. Yes, nice. Let's see the transfer speed here then. Let's see if I have. Was it over here? I should have kind of a big one. I don't remember where I actually saved it. Was it the archive, I think? Yeah. Backups. Yeah, this one. This is like 50 gigs. Let's see. Copy to storage. Paste. Yes. 1 gigabyte per second. 10 gigabit networking is nice. So remember, this is a 50 gigabyte file. So it will take like 30 seconds to transfer. Yeah. And as you can see also, it's a really fast or stable transfer. It doesn't bounce up and down all the time. It's a constant speed. 10 seconds left. So yeah, it's really nice to have some speeds. As you can see, it's 50 gigabyte in size. That took actually less than 30 seconds. So that works. And over here, I will just have a bunch of ISO files. So that was the shares and stuff and pools. Got a bunch of data sets, a couple of data sets. And when I add the 4 terabyte SSDs, I will create a new pool. And then I will use just this pool for testing stuff. like and having virtual machines and whatnot. Okay, so that's kind of basically it for now. Let's see. Yeah. So I will make another video. I'm going to add a virtual machine here, but that will be a different video. So yeah, catch you later.